GM everyone, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto. In this episode, we're diving into the innovative world of automated trading, putting a spotlight on VEMA Trader and exploring its impact on trading strategies and efficiency in this fast-paced market. This episode is brought to you by Bitget, where you can hear from founders, builders, investors, and traders as we discuss all things crypto in just 5 minutes. Let's jump into today's episode. I'm your host James, and I'm excited to have Richard Morwood, the founder of VEMA Trader, with us today. VEMA Trader is leading the charge in making trading accessible and efficient for everyone, regardless of their experience level. Welcome to the show, Richard. Can you give us a brief overview of what VEMA Trader is and its core functionality?
Yeah, sure. So the name VEMA Trader stands for Visualize, Execute, Monitor, and Analyze. And that's the trading process. It's the process of continuous improvement. So VEMA Trader is a trading platform that massively simplifies your trading. Essentially, we make it so a trader only has to focus on their technical analysis. You tell it your trade entry conditions and your exit targets. Then VEMA monitors the market in real time for when your entry conditions are met. Once it's met, it will then automate your risk management, your position sizing, put in the orders on the exchange, and journals the whole process for you. Because all trades are tracked with 20 different data points, this enables people to analyze their trading performance really easy. Our latest exchange integration is with Bitget, and we're really excited to bring all these benefits to Bitget customers.
Really enjoyed that brief overview there. It's fascinating how VEMA Trader is designed to simplify the trading process. It's something that we all need as traders. And on that note, what inspired the creation of VEMA Trader, and how does it simplify trading for its users?
The inspiration of VEMA Trader came from around 7 years ago. I started to take my trading much more seriously. The problem was that crypto markets operate 24/7, and you never know when an alert's going to go off and fire. Like, I'm a fleshy meat bag. I need to go to sleep some nights. But I was in a meeting at a prior company presenting to the CEO and a bunch of other managers, and my trade alert went off. It wasn't quite appropriate to pause the meeting and check my trade. Sorry, I just need to manage this position, please. One thing to fix was, hey, alerts going off at any time of day. But the other was the process of actually entering a trade. You're dealing with money. It can be a high emotion event. You've got to switch between your charting software, position size calculator, the exchange, your trade journal. You've got to fill in your notes as to what you were doing. It can be really stressful. And if you fat finger the wrong numbers, it can be really costly. So I wanted to automate all of that while still having the trader in absolute full control. Now, how it simplifies trading is for people through automating the boring bits. So it's not a bot. It's not a pay VEMA money and it's going to make magical money. No, you're still in control. It's still your trade setups. It's just we automate the entries. We automate the risk management, the position sizing. It's journaling the trades with 20 different data points. So this enables traders to easily analyze their trading data so they can see what strategies are working for them and what mistakes they're making.
So speaking from experience, simplification is key, especially in trading. Now I'm curious about the user experience. How does VEMA Trader ensure a user-friendly experience for traders of all levels?
For those new to trading, we put a big emphasis on visualizing their trade setup. It's in the product name, VEMA, Visualize, Execute, Monitor, Analyze, V for Visualize. So we don't want newbies having to input lots and lots of numbers. In fact, for newbie traders, there's no keyboard input required at all. It's all click and drag on the chart. Very visual. We have paper trading available so newbies can learn to use VEMA Trader without risking real money. And they can switch to live trading whenever they're ready, and they have access to all the other features of VEMA Trader. For intermediate traders, they can go deeper into their trading performance data to build out a trade plan template. They can then put that trade plan template into VEMA, and it gets in front of them on every single trade. Most people then turn on forced journaling so that VEMA won't let them take a trade until they're added extra details to their journal on top of what's already tracked by default. And then for the advanced traders, they can dive deeper into the entry conditions and get very specific on their data tracking. So in the next few weeks, we'll also have strategy templates for advanced traders. Once you've found what your most profitable strategies are, you can get the whole trade set up and journaled in VEMA in 2 to 3 clicks. For instance, I love ascending triangles. My data shows me they're my jam. I know what my entry conditions are. I know that I'm going to set it up very similar every single time. With a strategy template, I can go ascending triangle, give me the trade setup. It'll set the stop loss and the multiple take profits for me and my entry conditions. So getting really fun stuff.
That's awesome, Richard. With user experience being a cornerstone, it's intriguing to hear about what sets VEMA Trader apart. And could you highlight a couple of key features that set VEMA Trader apart from other trading platforms?
This one's really, really interesting. So every product demo that I'll give, people immediately see the value of VEMA's entry conditions, like standouts being the cross strategy with a candle close or the bounce strategy with an invalidation condition. Like set and forget trading, it's really awesome. What makes people stick around though and rave about VEMA is the automated trade journaling. It's the thing that gets people to send us messages saying things like, wow, it turns out I keep making this silly mistake and I'm actually really good at using this other strategy. Like the data doesn't lie. It's either you're good at this and you're not good at that. The data's going to tell you what that is versus your own intuition thinking, I'm pretty good at this, but it turns out you might not be. So for me, it was identifying that I'm actually not a profitable trader on Fridays. I got no idea why, but again, data doesn't lie. So how do I become a more profitable trader? I just don't trade Fridays anymore. I stop losing on Fridays and I keep my profits from the rest of the week.
It's clear that VEMA Trader, it's not just a powerful tool, it's actually a game changer. I've seen some people in the community absolutely rave about how it's transformed their trading strategies, making them more efficient and more effective. So yeah, with all of this in mind, Richard, I'm really excited to hear about what's on the horizon for VEMA Trader. What future plans or developments do you have in store to further enhance the user experience or expand its services?
Oh, I'm really, really excited about the future, man. So Bitget was recently integrated into VEMA, which is absolutely awesome. You guys have been a pleasure to work with. Up next is strategy templates to make trade setups really, really quick for intermediate and advanced traders, the ones who've already done the data tracking and they can see what's working for them. Medium term, I'm excited for more exit strategies like a trend following stop loss, a candle close stop loss, or the very fun name Bitget protection. So you see it again and again every here and there. A take profit target was just missed by like, oh man, I missed it by that much. They'll always say, I missed it by a bee's dick, and then price falls away. And oh no, your profits. So bee's dick protection is going to identify that's happened and gone, hey, let's lock in some of those profits for you now instead of losing everything. And then longer term, we'll be introducing more financial markets into VEMA, like stock trading on the ASX and US markets. VEMA has a trader's trade history, so we want to bring in tax reporting summaries. Hey, all of this entry order and these 3 take profits or stop loss were all related to this one single trade. Here was all the fees taken and the P&L for that, so one-click tax reporting, and AI to help analyze a trader's journal. And then we'd love to explore a more quantitative approach to trade entry conditions, like bringing in the RSI and the CCI. Imagine like prices hit an uptrend and the RSI is below 20 and the 20 EMA is below the 50 EMA. Hey, there's some extra entry conditions that tell me this is a good time to take that long.
Richard, thank you for sharing your comprehensive insights about VEMA Trader and its role in revolutionizing the way that users are approaching trading. It's clear that VEMA Trader is much more than a tool, it's a catalyst for empowering individuals to become better traders by providing them with the necessary resources, insights, and support. Your dedication to enhancing trading and bringing financial freedom to the community is truly inspiring. Thank you, Richard.
Thank you so much for having me, James. Pleasure to be here.
To our listeners, we hope this conversation has broadened your perspective on the advancements in trading tech. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up wherever you're listening. Don't forget to check out the episode description for links to VEMA Trader's socials. Join us next time on 5 Minute Crypto for more insightful discussions on the latest trends in the crypto and blockchain world. Until then, hodl on.